Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use plane command is extra use of plane command and generate a large number of plane in use in CATIA. Then today discuss here a plane is generate 1 2 3 4 a large number of new plane is generated here. Okay, first plane is today discuss here. This is a xy plane, this is a top plane, and xy plane and yz plane and zx plane. Okay, then extra new plane is generated here. Then use this plane is use, and this is a very important use in CATIA. And this plane command extra plane generated here, a command, this plane command is very important and very useful in CATIA software. And any new design is created here, this plane command is very important. And today lecture is this plane, about this plane is discussed here. Okay, at first drawing any 2D sketch is drawing. I draw we will see here a rectangle is drawing, and this is a generate converted 2D to 3D. Then this is a 20 is correct. Okay, preview is showing here, and okay, and this is a colorful, is look is nice. Then color is a this. Okay, and this rectangle is, this 3D command is generated here, and this plane is, all plane is select here, and then use a extra plane use upper side. Then use this plane is use, this plane is very useful in CATIA. Okay, at first select this plane, and this face is select here, and this face is parallel to this plane is generated here. Okay, this face is parallel to this plane, this face plane is this, and this parallel to this, and same name is offset, and this is increase and decrease. Okay, distance between two plane is distance between two parallel plane is 44, and change the value is 30. Okay, and this is a repeat object after. Okay, this okay, and this plane is repeat again. Then instance is 2 and absolute and relative. Okay, this is increase 3 and 4. One plane is already is 3D body is body here, and this plane is 1, and this 4, include this plane is 4. Okay, this is a okay, then all plane is generated here, and this okay, this plane is separate, and this 1 2 3 4 is separate. Okay, and this plane and this plane is this plane is separate, and 4 is separate. Okay, this plane is click here, and this is a okay, and this plane is 2 3, 2 is correct. First plane is this body, and second plane is this body is separate, but two plane is instance, two plane is all, two plane is this body is this body upper side drawing a two plane. Okay, this is okay, first plane and second plane is generated here. Okay, and this plane is a repeat. Okay, and this is a 1 is a this plane, and this plane is remove here, this plane is separate, but one plane is generated here. Okay, and this is a relative. Okay, this is a one plane this plane. Okay, and okay, and this plane is drawing a any 2D sketching. This plane, select and sketch this body and draw a any circle, then click here and circle and exit. This plane is generated here, and click this face and sketch and this, and click any. Okay, this is a correct, and this is a exit here. Okay, this is a drawing here, and okay, this is a correct. Okay, and this use a multi-section use, then this face, and this is a, and also this is a coupling ratio. Okay, not use. Okay, this body is not correct, but two plane is a multi-section use. This face, this, and this is a use a plane, not plane is use. Okay, this is a not use. Okay, okay, but but two plane is drawing here, and today discuss here plane generated here. Okay, not a design and drawing. And any design, new design is created. This CATIA tutorial is discussed here. CATIA tutorial, this YouTube channel is YouTube channel available here, and you are a practice large number of practice and drawing a multi-section and solid and remove multi-section solid, both is available here. But today discuss here and plane, a large number of plane is generated here. Extra plane is how to generate a extra plane. Very useful this lecture, and this lecture is very important. Okay, I hope you will learn this lecture is very easily and carefully. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.